So we are presenting Andrews Elementary with a check for $2,640. The students helped to raise from Fiat Chrysler. We did something called Cars for Classrooms, where Chrysler donated a certain amount for every test drive that parents signed up for back in October. We brought 4 salespeople to the school, and they spent 4 hours test driving Pacificas, spreading the knowledge and the word about our vehicles and getting involved in the community. It was a great event. Thank you. As Debbie stated, in October we had the opportunity to come out and spend a lot of time here at Andrews and had a great time. We were very much appreciative of the opportunity to come out and share knowledge of our vehicles, as well as something to give back to the community and you guys here at the school. So on behalf of FCA and Huffines, I would like to present this check for $2,640 to the Andrews Elementary PTA.
Thank you so much.
You bet. Thank you.